One of ChatGPT's greatest limitations is its inability to access recent information. If you're using the latest GPT-4 language model, it still only has access to information up to 2021. With WebChatGPT, you can give ChatGPT the ability to search the web for more recent sources of information. Simply go to Google Chrome and search for WebChatGPT and toggle on this option right here. Click on Add to Chrome, click on Add Extension, and voila, you now have the handy feature that bridges the gap between the knowledge cutoff of the language model and the present day. No longer limited to information up until 2021, the latest GPT-4 language model combined with WebChatGPT allows ChatGPT to access the most recent sources of information available on the web. For example, let me search. So I searched the latest population of New York City, and right here you can see the result given to me by ChatGPT by using the extension WebChatGPT. You can see the format's different, right? It's because the format of information is more recent and more detailed. So with WebChatGPT, you can trust that ChatGPT has the most up-to-date knowledge at its virtual fingertips. Don't miss out this incredible extension. Upgrade your ChatGPT experience with WebChatGPT today. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.